And we have a solution. I've shown you that when you devolved the sales tax on services, Sindh government's SPR outperforms all the provinces and the federal government. But the FBR is outperformed by the Punjab Revenue Board, by the Pakhtunkhwa Revenue Board, and the Balochistan Revenue Board. So why should Balochistan, Sindh, or Punjab, or KPK suffer if Islamabad can't do its job? Our proposal is that the federal government still collects the sales tax on goods, and not according to my reports. According to independent observers, there's 3 trillion rupees more that they could collect in the sales tax on goods today from across Pakistan that they're not collecting. So our solution to the federal government's challenges with fiscal space that we want to solve is that don't devolve the tax to us, but devolve the collection of the tax to us. We will collect this tax for the federal government. They can set us the targets. Like their last collection for sales tax on services was 16, so whatever their last collection from Karachi today is, set that as a target for the Sindh government. Whatever their last collection for the sales tax on goods for the city of Lahore is, set that as a target for the Punjab government. And we will collect these taxes for you. We will collect higher taxes for you and give it to you so you can meet your fiscal needs, address your fiscal gap. If we fail, I mean, this is the level we're going to. If we fail to meet your targets, then punish me. Then deduct from my provincial pool to make up for the gap in the tax that I failed to collect for you. But the catch is that if I do better and I or any other province collects more in the form of sales tax on goods than your federally assigned target, then the extra money should go as an incentive to those provincial governments so they're further encouraged to increase their revenue generation, fund our own projects, and meet the needs of our citizens. I thank you all very much today for putting up with my very detailed conversation, and I hope that I've managed to convince, or at least put across a case for you today, that the province of Sindh is a half glass full, not a half glass empty. And we would like to work with everyone in this room today and the federal government to achieve not only our goals, but also address the challenges faced by the federal government and the people of Pakistan. Thank you.